Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate to you a step-by-step way to share content with your students in our Blackboard shell system, whether you want to share a PowerPoint presentation with them or you want to navigate to a web page and share some specifics about that web page with them. This could come in handy in a couple ways. For instance, let's say you had to miss a class for whatever reason. This would be a way to share a PowerPoint with your narration as a way to catch them up on what they might have missed. Maybe there's that extra, 15, 20 minutes that you needed with your class but ran out of time. This would be a great way to add additional content to your class. Or maybe you had a student or two that missed class and you wanted to catch them up on what they missed. The tool that I am using, it's completely free of charge for up to 15 minutes. And that is called Screen-Cast-O-Matic. I'm going to go ahead and show you this tool right now. So all you have to do is load up your favorite browser and just Google search Screen-Cast-O-Matic. And the first link that comes up is indeed Screen-Cast-O-Matic. You will see a fast, free screen recording. So all you have to do is click log in. And if you don't have an account, go ahead and click on sign up, which we can see right here on the right of that login button. All right. So I can see that I'm logged in now. The next step is all I would have to do is click on Start Recorder. Now I can't do this in this case because I'm currently already recording within Screen-Cast-O-Matic. So once you get your recording up and running, all you got to do is show what you want to show. So for instance, I'm going to pull up a PowerPoint presentation that I got here. And I can make my video also disappear just like that so that I know I have full screen with my students at this particular time. And as an example here, I want to talk to them about the internet. So, I would first talk to them about the particular objectives, discuss the evolution of the internet, briefly describe various broadband internet connections. You could go over each of these, and then you could start sharing and you could start talking about various things. Screen-Cast-O-Matic also has some tools within there. I could, highlight some things if I wanted to talk to them about that. If I wanted to point out some things, I can erase those. I can draw. I can use an arrow. So maybe I wanted to talk to them about something important. The internet, of course, is very important. We all know and love it today. So these are various different things I can do. The next step is to save our recording. Once you get done with your recording, you would just click on the pause button, and you'll see it at the very bottom of your screen. Once you click on the pause button, it will allow you to play back your recording to make sure it is within the specification that you want. And there are even some tools that are available to edit that video. But once you get all done, you want to choose to save that video to file. It'll be an option on the right-hand side. And you'll choose the location to save it to. I normally recommend that you would save it to your desktop on your computer. So I have already saved a video. I'm going to show you guys right here. I got a video 5 MP4 that I created previously. And the goal is I want to get this into YouTube. After I get it into YouTube, I want to show you how to get it into our Blackboard shell so it plays right within the shell. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the next thing to do is you want to go to youtube.com. Once you get into YouTube, you want to click sign on. Now, if you are already signed on within the Baker College user ID, so let's say you have already signed on to Baker Single Sign-On. When you click sign on, if you have your picture, it will load up here, but you'll already be signed into your Baker College account at this point. To add a new video, all we have to do is click the upload button, and it will say select files to upload. And all I need to do is drag from my desktop into this upload button, and we'll see YouTube do a few things here. Now, if your video is longer than, a couple minutes that this sample video is, it may take some additional time to process. Just have some patience. This one is about 5 minutes I did, maybe around 3 minutes actually. I'm going to show you a couple things here. The default option for all videos is public view. This means anybody in the world can see your videos. You may not want anybody in the world to see your videos. That's completely up to you. However, if you want to share it with just your class, I would recommend changing it to unlisted. Private means only you can see it. But in order for people within your Blackboard class to see it, it must be listed as unlisted. That means nobody can pull it up and search. It is kind of hidden from search. However, if somebody has the link to that video, i.e. Blackboard, then it can pull up the video for your students. Then you would just simply change, you can change video 5 and you can call it anything you want. So in this case, chapter 2 lecture, for instance, is one of the things I could do. And then I'm just going to, I could add a description there if I want, but it's not necessary. And then I'm just going to click done. Now, the nice thing is Blackboard is going to instantly give me the link, or YouTube in this case, to what I need to post into Blackboard. So I can copy that link, and now we can head to our Blackboard class. We could create an announcement and add this as an announcement. Maybe I wanted to share this with students. Missing chapter 2 lecture. And then the tool that I would choose in this case is Insert, Edit, Embedded Media. Now, these tools may not show up right away for you. If they don't, I'm going to show you what it would look like. So if your screen looks like this, just hit this little double arrow to open up the additional tools. Click the Insert, Edit, Embedded Media. And basically all we have to do is copy and paste the link that we got from YouTube. And I can see right here it comes up. If I want, I can click play. But once your video comes up, you're just going to click the insert button. And you'll see a little yellow box come up here, and it actually works at that point in time. So the last step is to click the submit button. And we can see right here the video came up.
Hi everyone. Looking forward to seeing everybody next week in our CCNA security class on Tuesday at 1 p.m. Next week we'll be going over 2 chapters.
And that is all there is to sharing a video with your students. I hope everybody found this helpful. Thanks.